Today, I'll show you how to use the Read Aloud feature in Adobe Acrobat, a handy tool that can make reviewing documents a breeze. Whether you're looking to multitask or simply prefer auditory learning, this feature can be a real time saver. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of this useful setting. First things first, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. It's important to have the right version of Acrobat, as this feature is available in both Adobe Acrobat Reader and Adobe Acrobat Pro. Once your document is open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu bar. This is where you'll find most of the tools and options you'll need. Hover your mouse over the View menu. Clicking on View will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Scroll down until you see Read Out Loud. This is the feature we're focusing on today. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Activate Read Out Loud. This enables the feature in your document and prepares it for reading aloud. Now, you have a couple of choices depending on your needs. If you only want the current page to be read aloud, select Read this page only. This is a great option if you're focusing on a particular section or if you're working with a lengthy document and want to review it piece by piece. On the other hand, if you wish to sit back and listen to the entire document, choose Read to End of Document. This will start reading from your current location all the way to the end of the file. As the document is read aloud, you might notice different voices or accents depending on your system's text-to-speech settings. Be sure to adjust these settings if needed for the best listening experience. You can typically find these options in the accessibility settings of your computer. If at any point you wish to pause or stop the reading, simply return to the View menu. Navigate back to Read Out Loud, and this time choose Stop. This will halt the reading process entirely, giving you complete control over how and when you listen to your document. It's worth noting that while this feature is incredibly useful, it might not perfectly interpret every part of the document, especially if there are complex layouts or embedded images. For the best results, use it with text-heavy documents. There you have it, a straightforward way to use the Read Aloud feature in Adobe Acrobat. This tool can be particularly helpful for those who prefer listening to reading, have visual impairments, or simply want to consume content in a different way. It allows you to experience your documents in a new and dynamic manner. I hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident using the Read Aloud function. Feel free to explore other features in Adobe Acrobat that can enhance your document experience. Thank you for watching and happy listening.